Hi, I got this Android PX6, 4 gig of RAM, 64 gig of storage, and this is I got it from AliExpress. I hooked up all of these. Still have serious problem. There's no sound, as you can see. I YouTube some videos and they mentioned to go to console, go to amplifier information, and try to play with those which they are inactive. So if can someone help me with the comments by leaving a comment how to resolve it, I will be very appreciate that. Really appreciate it because this thing is very hard to deal with this with the sound settings. Thank you guys, and I wish you the best of luck with these systems.